Right, welcome back. I picked these up today from Advanced Auto. They seem to be having a clearance on some die-hard tools. I think I seen some, maybe like some ratchets and socket sets that were on sale, but I already got enough of those. But these were on sale also. I think they came out to about $10 each. SAE, let's see, 3/8, 7/16, half, 9/16. And what's the 5/8, 11/16? Then metric is 10/12, 13/14, 15/17, and I bet the size that I need is not on here. But for $10, go pick them up. Advanced Auto. I believe there was some other stuff on clearance too, like screwdrivers, but check in with them and see what's going on. But here's the parts number: DHP55115 metric, DHP55116 for standard. $10 each. All right.